ProForma has many features to help you collect data and improve processes in Jira. This video will show you how to populate choice lists with data from an external source. ProForma can retrieve JSON data from REST APIs and use this data to populate choice lists. In order to use external data in a ProForma form, a connection must be configured. Go to Manage Apps, ProForma, Connections. Click Add Connection. Enter a connection name. The name is displayed in the form builder. It is not displayed to a user filling out a form. Select the connection type. REST APIs are the standard form of retrieving external data values for a choice list. Alternatively, select Jira property to retrieve JSON data stored as either an application or project property within Jira. If you are using Jira Server, ensure that the URL of the data source allows connections from the Jira instance, and that it is whitelisted in Jira. To whitelist a URL in Jira Server or Data Center, go to Jira Admin, System, Whitelist and enter the URL or regular expression. Click Add. ProForma supports the following authentication methods: None, Basic, Digest or Custom, for example, a JWT token. Set the caching period. For Server, the cache will be maintained in memory on the local instance. For Data Center, each node will maintain its own cache in memory. For Cloud, the cache is maintained in memory on the ProForma AWS servers. Click Next. When a new connection is created, ProForma will test the URL. To test an already existing connection, go to the connection and click Edit. Clicking Next on the first connect screen will test the connection again. You can view the request that has been made and preview the response from the API. Click Next to continue. 3 items need to be configured for each connection. Items refers to the list or array of objects within the JSON data that contains the required information. An ID is a number or a value that can be treated as a number. This will not be displayed on the form. The label is an individual field within the object. This will be the field that populates the choice list on the form. Click Next to continue. The confirmation screen shows the details entered, and a sample list of items with their respective IDs and labels. Click Create to make the new connection, or save if you are applying changes to an existing connection. To use a data connection in a form, go to the form builder and select or create a choice question. Select the desired data connection. The list of choices from the data connection will be displayed on the form. When the form is added to an issue, the list of choices will be available for selection. If you would like more information, visit us at www.thinktilt.com or look for ProForma in the marketplace.